This is the Elite Autofold ProMax scooter, one of the most comfortable and robust autofolding mobility scooters on the market. The Elite Autofold ProMax is truly one of a kind, the only remote-controlled autofolding mobility scooter with front and rear suspension. You'll get all the compact convenience of a travel scooter without compromising on comfort. The shock-absorbing suspension system dampens vibrations in the frame and the seat, so you can travel for longer without dealing with aches and pains. The generously padded seat, backrest and removable armrest are an upgrade on other scooters of this class. The Elite Autofold ProMax folds by itself in just 15 seconds with a click of the button on your key fob or the dashboard of the scooter. The scooter can also be folded manually by lifting this red bar. Once folded, you can wheel it along like a suitcase, ideal for easy transport in car boots, planes or public transport. On the dashboard, you'll find controls for the LED headlight for after-dark travel, as well as a backlit digital LCD screen displaying all the important information like battery level and speed. The tiller head is height and angle adjustable, meaning you can adopt a more comfortable posture whilst using this scooter. There's also plenty of legroom and a designated space to rest your feet. A 15-kilometre range gets you to where you need to go, while the 10 amp-hour lithium battery is lighter and longer lasting than a standard scooter battery. And there's even a USB charging point to keep your mobile phone topped up on the go. The Elite Autofold ProMax scooter, part of the wider range of travel scooters from CareCo. For more information, simply visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching, take care.